and welcome to this brief tutorial on managing tables in cdpACCESS. As you can see, I've got a proposal open, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Once you've got a table in your proposal, which you can bring in from the code books by choosing Import from Book, or create a new one by choosing Add New Content, you're going to want to click on that table over here in the left-hand tab. That's going to bring up an edit window here, and you just want to click on that edit, and it's going to bring up your various editors. Tables, editing the actual content of tables is no longer any different from editing the content of code sections. With code sections this year, you do have to do your own manual markup. There is no more automatic markup in cdpACCESS. So tables have always been manually marked up, so you're just going to go ahead and continue to manage them the same way you always have. If you've got a text here that you want to delete, you're going to use the strike through tool here. You're going to strike through that text. Once you've typed what you'd like to add, go ahead and highlight that text and click the underline button, and that's going to indicate that text is new. Now, if you do need to do something to the table itself, adding rows, deleting rows, that sort of thing, you can do that with the tools that pop up at the bottom once you've clicked on this table. This first button, Table Properties, most of this has already been handled and managed by cdpACCESS itself. The tables will have lines and that sort of thing as needed, so you don't need to do much with the table properties. If you ever want to remove the table completely, that's an option with this Delete Table button. And then the rest of these buttons are for expanding or contracting the table. You can insert a row, both before and after where the cursor is, that is above or below. Or you can delete an entire row. Same with the columns, before or to the right, to the left of the cursor, and after or to the right of the cursor. And again, you can delete that whole column. If you do need to merge cells, go ahead and highlight the cells that you want to merge. And you're just going to go to Table, you're going to go to Cell, and you're going to choose Merge Cells. That will merge those two cells together across the two columns, or if you've got it vertically across multiple rows, and that will take care of that issue. Other than that, editing the rest of the table is just like it is again anywhere else. The title of the table, same deal, use the underline and strike through. The footnotes, use the underline and strike through. Since they're simply text and you don't need to format them in any special way, you shouldn't need any other tools for the other fields. Once you've got that all taken care of, just hit save, and changes will be saved to your table. You can see my strike through and underline are there in place. Again, editing tables, when in doubt, treat it just like a regular code section, since both of them are now manual markup. You shouldn't have any issues using the strike through and underline tags for every field in your table. Thanks very much for listening. Have a great day.